Now, away from politics, a Mavoko court has ordered the detainment of Christian Mwambei Kadima, the lead suspect in the death of lawyer Caroline Koki, for 14 more days to allow authorities to conduct investigation pertaining the suspect's identity. The prosecution says Kadima was arrested with a Safaricom line registered under a South African name, Zuchiswa Genevieve. His temporary Kenyan pass is registered under the name Eric Kambugi Katalai Kadima. It is reported that the suspect is wanted in South Africa, where he goes by the name Lodge Christian Kadima, and was arrested after allegedly assaulting a woman. Kadima skipped bail in South Africa and managed to flee to Kenya. The suspect will be held in remand at Mlolongo police station, awaiting mention on the 25th of January.
The prosecution highlighted a few issues as to the reasons for the application. One of them was the identity of the suspect. He's still a suspect because he has not taken plea. And they said that he bears several names, as is appearing in several documents that they have. They gave an example that the suspect had registered in Kenya as a Safaricom number 0742 640 835 using a South African passport.
And staying with the courts, the Anti-Corruption Court has referred an application made by Tharaka Nithi County Governor Muthomi Njuki seeking to challenge the act he has been charged under. The Anti-Corruption Court said it has no jurisdiction to determine the application. The case has now been referred to the High Court for interpretation as to whether he and 20 other accused persons were rightfully charged under the Anti-Corruption Act. The decision arose from an application by defense lawyers to the effect that their clients were not aware under which act of the law they have been charged with. The charge sheet indicates the accused are charged under the Penal Code and the Anti-Corruption Act. The court has also refused an application seeking to refer the case to Tharaka Nithi as sought by the defense lawyers. Njuki and his co-accused were charged with conspiracy to defraud the county government of 34 million shillings through an unprocedural tendering process. And a man from Osen area in Baringo County has been arraigned in Kabarnet for impersonating a DCI officer and defrauding a senior government official for operating an unlicensed clinic in Baringo North. The suspect, Alexander Kibet, alias DT Donald, presented himself as an inspector of police attached to the DCI headquarters. Kibet was arrested in Marigat town, where he had arranged to receive 300,000 from the victim, claiming to pay for feeder. The court has granted DCI officers 7 more days to complete the investigation. And from the corridors of justice,